Have you ever planned a big family dinner only to realize you're juggling 3 different pots, constantly checking the stove, and still wondering if everything will be ready on time? If cooking for a crowd feels more stressful than enjoyable, this multi-cooker could make your life a whole lot easier. Today we're taking a closer look at the Comfee 16-in-1 electric pressure cooker, an 8-quart multi-cooker designed for busy families, home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone who wants to simplify everyday cooking. It combines multiple kitchen appliances into one compact unit, promising faster cooking, less cleanup, and more flexibility in the kitchen. If you've been thinking about adding a pressure cooker to your countertop, this model deserves a closer look. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. From the outside, the Comfee pressure cooker has a clean stainless steel finish that feels modern without being flashy. It looks sturdy, and the large handles make it easy to move when needed. The control panel is laid out in a beginner-friendly way, with clearly labeled preset buttons that remove much of the guesswork. Even if you've never used an electric pressure cooker before, the layout feels approachable rather than intimidating. One of its biggest strengths is the generous 8-quart capacity. That's enough room to prepare meals for 6 to 8 people, making it especially useful for larger families, meal prep sessions, or holiday gatherings. Instead of cooking multiple batches of soup, chili, rice, or shredded meat, you can often prepare everything in one pot. That saves both time and dishes, which is something most home cooks can appreciate. Rather than focusing on technical specifications, it's more helpful to think about what this cooker actually changes in day-to-day life. The preset cooking programs are designed to handle common meals like beans, rice, meat, broth, oatmeal, and yogurt with minimal effort. Instead of constantly adjusting heat or checking timers, you simply select the appropriate setting and let the cooker do the work. That convenience becomes especially valuable after a long workday when you're trying to get dinner on the table without standing over the stove. Performance is where this appliance really earns its place in the kitchen. Pressure cooking dramatically reduces cooking times for foods that normally take hours. Tough cuts of meat become tender much faster, dried beans cook without the usual all-day wait, and hearty soups develop rich flavors in a fraction of the traditional cooking time. For busy households, that can make weeknight cooking much more realistic. The sauté function also adds versatility because you can brown onions, garlic, or meat directly in the same pot before pressure cooking. That means fewer pans to wash later and more flavor in your finished meal. When dinner is ready, the automatic keep warm function helps maintain serving temperature until everyone is ready to eat, which is particularly useful for families with different schedules. Despite its large capacity, everyday operation remains surprisingly simple. The digital controls respond quickly, and once you've used the cooker a few times, selecting different cooking modes becomes second nature. Cleanup is equally convenient thanks to the removable non-stick cooking pot, which helps prevent food from sticking and makes washing much easier after larger meals. Safety is another area where this pressure cooker inspires confidence. Many people feel nervous about pressure cooking for the first time, but the built-in safety systems, including lid locking, pressure management, and overheat protection, help make the experience much less intimidating. These features allow you to focus on cooking instead of worrying about the appliance itself. Of course, there are a few trade-offs worth mentioning. Because it's an 8-quart model, it does require more storage space than smaller multi-cookers. If you mostly cook for 1 or 2 people, this size may feel excessive unless you're regularly meal prepping. There's also a slight learning curve while you become familiar with pressure release methods and cooking times, although that's true of almost every electric pressure cooker. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And if you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen with a versatile multi-cooker that can simplify busy weeknights and family dinners, be sure to check out the link in the description. It might be exactly the kitchen companion you've been looking for.